Welcome back again, guys. So this tutorial is actually for those who don't really know how to use VPN files, more especially the beginners, those who don't have any idea on how to use VPN files. You understand? So watch this tutorial carefully, and I promise at the end of it all, you'll be able to create your own HTTP custom unlimited file. Okay, so let's quickly jump into it. So we are going to use this VPN called HTTP custom. So if you don't have it, go to the Play Store. You go to the Play Store, then you search for it and download it. HTTP custom. I have it already, but if you don't have it, you can just click on download. The download button will be here. You just click on it to download it. Okay. So right after downloading it, you go to your Google Chrome or any browser that you have. So with this, in order to create this VPN file, that is the HTTP custom file, you have to get your SSH account details. Okay, but with this one, you are not going to make use of any proxy, any network proxy. This one, you just need your HTTP, this in your SSH account details. They use to configure the VPN, which is the HTTP custom. So there are a whole lot of website over the SSH website out there, but let's use this one, Master SSH. It's a free website, though they have paid plans. So if you have the means, you can choose the premium the premium account. So Master SSH. Okay, so this is the home page. So let's click on the top right corner, the lines over there. Click on it, then you choose SSH UDP, because we are creating an unlimited file. So we have to choose the UDP, which is the UDP protocol. You click on it, clear the advert. Good. Like I said, this is for the beginners. Good. Then you scroll down, select or you choose your location, the server location, the country that you want. So we have Asia, we have America, we have Europe. Asia, America, Europe. You choose any server that you want. So and here in Master SSH, they have this in validation, like server validations. So when you click on the server like this, it will open the server validation date on it. So like this one, like this, we have 7 days on. Okay, so let's choose, for the sake of this tutorial, let's choose the 7 days on. You scroll down, then you come and click on create account. Then you scroll down, so here you are going to input your password. For the username, they've already done it for you. Okay, so after inputting your password here, then you check on I'm not a robot. So you input the password. Good. Then you check on I'm not a robot, this button. Good. Okay, now then you click on create account. You click on this one, create account. Then you wait for some seconds for it to create. Good, so the account has been created. So you can copy this whole thing. Okay, you can copy it, then paste it in the app, or you can do it manually by copying the host name separately and the username to separately and the password to separately. Okay, so let's copy the entire thing automatically. So you click on copy HTTP custom. So let's copy it. Good, so copy it. So let's go to the VPN, the HTTP custom. Open it. Open it. Then you come and click on the three dots at the top right corner there. Click on it. Then you select clear or reset config. Okay, so because we are setting it to its default state so that we won't get any interruption or disruptions. So you come after clearing or setting to default state, you come and click on this button. Okay, come here. So here you can use this guide, the guide app here, with the IP address, port, the username, and the password. You can use that guide in order to configure the VPN, the HTTP custom. But here we are just pasting the one that we copied. We are pasting it directly. So click to paste it. So this is the username. Okay, and this is the port. Okay, and then after the @ sign, you come to the username, and after the hyphen or the this, and then you come to the password. Okay. So sometimes if you don't convert this host name to an IP, like it will have some kind of delay in the connection. Okay, so let's copy the host name, the SSH host name in, and convert it to an IP so that we can get a smooth connection. Okay, so let's go to the website. So it can reload, but I can still get here. So this is the name. Okay, let's copy it. So click and hold to copy it. Good. And let's go to this website called, what's my IP address? It's also a free website. What is my IP address? Okay, so then you come to this section. Come and input the host name there. Okay, then you click on map IP address. Before it generates, click on it. Good. So it has converted the host name to an IP address. So this is the IP address. Okay, this is the host name. Good. So let's copy the IP address and go and paste it in the VPN. Okay, let's copy the IP address, then paste it to the VPN. Let's delete the host name and paste the IP address. Okay, so you pasted the IP address. Then you come and click on this button. Then you click on UDP tweak settings. This one. Okay, so everything is set. So we have the buffer size, which is 64. And we have the mbit tick, and we have the 32. Okay, so everything is set. So you just click on apply. Now you come to the home interface, then you click on, or you check the UDP custom. Okay, you check it. Good. So you cross check whether everything is set. So now everything is set. Connect this button. After click on it, you come and click on log to check the state of the connectivity, whether it is connected or not. So let's click on connect. PHP custom unlimited file. So as you can see down there, HTTP custom ready to use. Okay, so this tutorial is actually for those who don't really know how to use VPN files to get unlimited data. Okay, and this tutorial is for educational purpose. So you can subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and if there is any challenge that you are facing, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I'll attend to you. So I'll put the link to the in the description, the link to the website that you can use to convert the host name to IP. I also have a tutorial on that, so I'll put that one to the link in the description for you guys. Okay, like I said, this tutorial is actually for the beginners, those who don't really know anything about VPN files. Thank you guys.